Today we will learn green screen keyframe. I was increase and decrease the overlay. First we will go to project and select your video, bring the video and drop it on the timeline. I took a green screen video footage beforehand and edit it into it. See, I am adding keyframes to the overlay here. This will change the video from dark to light, making it look more beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like, and comment if you have any question. Here the audio will be meshed with the sound video footage. See the keyframe created here. Now if I turn it on, it will look like this.